Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today I'm bringing you one of the best code completion AI driven coding assistant tool. It's called Tabnine. Let's get started. So what exactly is Tabnine? Tabnine is an AI powered code completion tool that enhances your coding efficiency by providing intelligent code suggestions. You can leverage advanced machine learning models using Tabnine, and it helps developers write code faster, reduce errors, and follow best practices. Tabnine is widely used by developers for its powerful AI driven features. Some of the striking features of Tabnine are it has intelligent AI code completion. It also supports multiple languages that you already are working with, like Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and much more. It provides you real-time AI code completion so that as you type, it increases your coding speed and accuracy. It works with all of your popular IDEs, including Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, PyCharm, Eclipse, and much more. It is based on natural language processing, which means it allows coding from natural language descriptions. It can also generate your entire code, including unit tests. It is context aware and can be on device. That means it can make your custom designed model for local execution. Talking about pricing, it's free, offering essential AI code completions for developers. But if you are looking to master and use advanced, faster completions and improved suggestions, you can go with the Pro plan. You can visit them at tab9.com. It's an AI coding platform for enterprises that cannot afford mistakes. It says enterprises, but it's also loved by millions of developers. If you look at it, it provides almost everything that a developer needs, works with all the IDs that we are currently using. It supports Visual Studio Code as well, plus Eclipse, PyCharm, IntelliJ. It works with Open AI, which is ChatGPT, Cursor, Cloud AI, and much more. It is context aware, which means the AI models will understand your context engine and will be truly generating code based on your code base. It has runtime errors, it has project metadata, it understands your conversation history, and much more. It supports with Bitbucket, Confluence, Jira, GitLab, and much more. So there is zero compromise in terms of security. The privacy, governance, and compliance are inbuilt into Tab9. Talking about the pricing, I told you it's free for basic plan, but for enterprises, it starts with $59 per user per month. It has everything that a modern organization trying to utilize AI coding completion for their development team. It works with most of the leading LLMs like Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Meta, Mistral, and much more. So if you see, it has a flat rating, which is of $59 per user per month. But if you are a larger organization, do get a custom quote and you can work with it. You can check all the supported IDs also, and you can see how this entire tool can help your organization get better. As a developer, this is an extremely useful plugin, especially I use it a lot on our tutorials. You would have seen me using it. It's free, so go ahead and use it in your own to get better results. Some pros and cons. It is really efficient. It has flexible. It can be customized, and like I said, the security is enterprise grade and compliance, which is already built in. Some of the cons. It has limited integrations. There can be little learning curve for beginners, and there is over reliance on AI suggestions can potentially affect the development skills of an individual developer. That's my take on Tab9. It's one of the essential tools that every developer must use. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. Do let me know your views, feedback in the comments about what you think about Tab9. Till then, like, share, and subscribe. Happy exploring apps. Thank you.